Welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, and we are going to celebrate St. Patrick's Day by drawing a leprechaun. So, we break everything down into basic shapes, and the first thing we're going to start with is a nose, which is like almost a circle. And on the sides, draw two little U's, which will be the nostrils. Next are the eyes. So right underneath, draw two slightly curved lines for the bottom lid. On top of that, you can draw your oval. This is your eye. And inside of those, we're going to draw another shape oval. After that, you'll draw one more circle inside, and this is going to be the light reflection. So just draw that out, the spot you won't color in, and then you can color in the black of the eye. You'll notice I'm leaving a little spot because I want to add some coloring in the leprechaun's eyes. And now for the mouth, the top line and bottom line are slightly curved, but notice that the edges of your mouth have to come together. They're small. This guy has his mouth slightly open. And now we'll give him an outer face shape. So your chin is like a V. And then I have a curved line on each side to give this leprechaun a rounded face. And now we need some nice big ears off to the side. So see how the curved line comes out? One is parallel to it. That's the top of the ear. Looks funny right now, but wait till we curve that line down in towards the head. I've got just a little line to represent the inner lobes inside. And now let's do some bushy eyebrows. I'm creating jagged lines that curve right over top of the eyes. Now watch what I do with the line for the hat, coming outside the left, over top of the head, and behind the other ear. There's the brim of the hat. Now the top of the hat has to come to the width of the head, curve the line over top, and slant it down toward the other outside of the head. I'm going to put one more line just above the top rim of the hat, and now it's time for the buckle. The buckle is a square. The top of it is rounded like the very top line on the hat. Once you've drawn that, draw the same shape inside. You got yourself a buckle. See that rounded shape at the top? We're going to make that across where the buckle is. So those two lines will match. This is the part where you can make your leprechaun a little boy or girl, or however your hair is. Or you can just add a beard. So leave the shape of the face, but as you can see, I'm just drawing a line down and a few little jagged lines to show the hair. Erase any lines you don't need to clean it up, and then we're going to move on to the body. The body is like a bell shape. It's rounded out on the sides, and then it's rounded on the bottom. And I wanted to add a bow tie. So add a little round circle right under the beard. And then on each side, you're going to have what I call a rounded triangle. This is the bow tie. And now the vest. So coming from the bottom, curve that line and up toward the bow tie. And the other side. There's our vest. And we're going to add some buttons on that. Draw a circle, make an X, and then at every point, just make it a small little circle. There's your button. This guy can't run to a pot of gold without some legs, so draw those four little lines, represent the two legs, and then put a line that's just a little bit bigger right underneath it. You'll draw a second line just like that. What we're doing is creating the cuffs, the rolls at the end of the pants. And then you can see I colored in a little triangle on the edges to give it that look. Let's do some shoes. So draw that line, little small one where the heel is, little hook inside like an L going both ways, and then jump to the front, the toe of the shoe. It's like a rainbow on top and a curved line down below. If you give it two little lines beside each other, it will look like the sole of the shoe. And lastly, we're going to finish off with some simple arms. So we're going to create curved lines that are poking out from behind the body. Draw the line for the coat sleeve and then a little half circle for the hand. It's as simple as that. As we finish up, throw in a fun background, get creative, throw in some 4-leaf clovers, make it your own, and let's get ready to color. Thank you for doing another Draw at Home video with Tupperberry Art. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and have a happy St. Patrick's Day.